Wabici-inĩ nene cia rũhonge rwa kũramata barabara nene bũrũri-inĩ Kenya nĩkuo kĩgomano kĩa mbere kĩa atumia arĩa me rũhonge-inĩ rwa waki gĩtabanĩtio makĩheo kanya ga kwĩitũrũra mamwe ma moritũ marĩa makoretwo magĩtũnga.
We are open. We want to discuss our issues, our challenges, so that then we can start creating a roadmap for how we can increase participation for women in our industry. We also hope that one of the outcomes of this day is to start a mentorship program.
It is important to note that women comprise of less than 10% of accredited site workers and supervisors in our construction industry. Further, less than 8% of the professional engineers constitute of women.
Wagi wa kũheo mĩeke ĩiganaine na arũme nĩ ũmwe wa marĩa minista wa ũkui Kipchumba Murkomen augĩte unĩte kambuni nyingĩ cia atumia guoko.
My ministry, and I'm sure the agencies have told them, must give contracts to women who are women. You know, we know that there are men who have registered companies as women companies.
A report released in February last year by Delberg puts the women in construction at 3% artisans within the country. The report shows female engineers registered by the Engineering Board of Kenya is at 7.3%, female contractors at 15.5%, and female quantity surveyors registered at 17%. Globally, only 13% of all construction companies are owned by women. You see, it's not a Kenyan problem, is it?
Ohogete thirikari nĩ kũgathĩka mĩtaratara ya gũtigĩrĩra kandarathi nene rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũkui kĩheanwo atumia arĩa makinyanĩire ikĩro onao matirĩtigagwo thutha ta ũrĩa gũkoretwo hau kabere.
We do not want our companies to say they have qualified to give contractors, to give women contracts, but the contracts they have given women is supply of tissue paper, pens, and stationery. We want women to be given real work to construct bridges, to do roads, to maintain roads. Are we together? And we don't want also women to be given roads in the periphery.
Oho nĩ morĩtie mwana wa mũirĩtu agetigire gwĩka kothi cia mĩako tondũ kaingĩ igwetanagio na arũme. Makiuga nĩ kothi ĩna thoko makĩria kũrĩ mwana wa mũirĩtu amutie ingĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wambui.